Hello, hello friends. Welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your pupil. And if you like today videos and share it to your friends and family members, you can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for guys. So I keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to do the work yourself. If you guys do, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs for this type of the type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos have a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that like my videos, and comment box please let me in no comment if you are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people how are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care.